So let's talk about the running. First of all, United opposition bado kuna hopes ama ishaenda. Unajua kuna wale bado wanasema Arsenal will bottle it. Pep goes on a winning run, 10-game winning run at the end of the season. Yeah, sasa labda anze 4-game winning streak, of which it will not be enough if Arsenal is able to win all games. In fact, what Arsenal needs to do is just to win 1-0 for the rest of the season. I don't know whether that they'll be able to do that. Of course, kuna West Ham, which for me, hiyo ndio inanishtua kwa hizo games mebaki. Burnley, not much. I hope wasijaribu kupull something na washaenda relegation, waende tu kwa amani. Then Crystal Palace last game, which is now dependent on I know they're winning. They're leading in the Conference League semis. They get the finals. That means on the last day, they have to rest their squad in readiness for the finals in 3 days. Na ukirudi huku kwingine kwa Europa League, kwa sababu mlisema sisi ni watu wa mathematics sasa. Teams zenye nilikuwa najua can stop City are Everton, Brentford and Bournemouth. Brentford shida ninakwanga on and off kama venye ilifanya against Man United, but anyway. Tukiangalia Everton washafanya kazi yao. Why the Europa League is very significant here. If Aston Villa makes it to the final, inamaanisha wakishinda England may get an extra slot, number 6, anaweza enda Champions League. What does that mean? Teams zinapigania number 6, kuna Brentford na kuna Bournemouth. So meaning they have to give it their all for the games against Man City. The other way around, if Nottingham makes it to the final, that means Aston Villa have to work hard to secure their 5th place. And their final game, itakuwa against nani? Itakuwa against Man City. So lazima wajitume. So either way, tukipiga hesabu, mimi nikipiga hesabu yangu, City have a lot of work to do. Not saying it's impossible. However, they have a lot of work to do because Brentford have something they're fighting for. Same to Bournemouth. Then Crystal Palace probably will have nothing they're fighting for by the time ikifika that game just before the finals. Watuwekee academy or whatever so that they have a fresh squad for the finals. Yeah, so bado mko na hopes ama imeisha? For me niko na hopes, but first of all, we have to defeat West Ham.